Now, let's sew the head and body together. Take out the body. First, stuff the body with cotton. Keep stuffing the cotton until the body is fully filled. Then thread the yarn tail onto the sewing needle. You need to sew the body onto round 27 of the head. The head has a total of 28 rounds. We count back to rounds. That is, on this round. Confirm the sewing position. Insert needle from the back of the head. Hide the yarn tail of the head inside the fabric. Align the body and head. Start sewing. One round is sewn. Sew a few more stitches. This can prevent the yarn from loosening. Weave the yarn inside the fabric a few times. This can prevent the yarn from loosening. Cut off the excess yarn. Pinch and hide the yarn tail inside the fabric. The body and head are now sewn together.